napakaraming nakinig at marami ring katanungan para magbigay ng liwanag at maklaro yung ibang bagay-bagay. Nais kong magbigay ng dalawang dokumento ngayon. Yung unang-una, yung timeline pa lamang. So, umpisahan na lang natin yung timeline. Mabilis lang to sana, pero mahaba-haba kasi nag-uumpisa to sa March 2019 nung nag-withdraw ang Pilipinas sa Rome Statute. Tapos, yung prosecutor requested authorization 24 May 2021. May deferral nung 2022 ng Hunyo. Pagkatapos, 12 September 2022, ang ating Pangulo ay nagsabi, ICC will only take action when the country is no longer functioning and has no judiciary. So, 26 January 2023, ang ICC nag-umpisa na naman ang investigasyon sa drug war. And then the appeals chamber rejected the suspension nung Marso. And then, July 5 ng 2023, ipinagtatanggol ni VP Sara yung confidential fund ng DepEd at ng OVP. Yung ICC Chamber delivered its judgment 18 July 2023. Pero inulit na naman ni Presidente Bongbong 24 November ng 2023 na simple lang ang isyung yan. Hindi naman siguro tama na ang tagalabas ang mag-iimbestiga dito sa atin. So yun ang nangyari, Tapos gusto natin maintindihan yung konteksto ng mga pangyayari. At nung 15 December 2023, andyan na yung sulat kay VP Sara na the jurisdiction of the ICC over the Republic of the Philippines after the effectivity of our withdrawal is very much in question. And I am certain that you and all of my cabinet will echo my views. Sabi rin niya, for the 100th time, I do not recognize the jurisdiction of the ICC in the Philippines. Noong 28 January 2024, kauna-unahang maisog rally at binanatan ni former President ang ating Pangulo Bongbong. Noong 29 January, kick-off rally ng Bagong Pilipinas, pero kasabay din ang candlelight prayer rally ni Presidente Duterte. 30 January 2024, eto na yung unang hearing ko sa PI, People's Initiative, February 2 sa Davao, 13 dito na naman February sa Senado. And 20 February,